Good day to everyone. I present to your attention the work of the Excel plugin. The Excel plugin is a pretty powerful tool that allows you to do a lot of operation with your specification in conjunction with Excel. So, let's take in order. The first thing the Excel plugin can do is simply uploading your single specification to Excel. Let's implement it. I click on the Excel plugin, select one specification of an active view, select the desktop, save folder. We don't check this box yet and click export. After that, we open our specification and see what we have it uploaded to Excel with a number of columns and rows as is presented in Revit specifications. Let's delete these specifications. Now let's make an upload to Excel with the possibility of subsequent import. Select Excel, one specification per active view with path selected, check the box, the specification will be imported after export, and click Export. We open our specification and see what we have a column there. We have written a field or an element depending on what you have in your specification. That is, we had 3 lines that were responsible for the fields, when there were 3 lines where there are elements. And the last line is just a summary. This column cannot be deleted. It's on it that plugin will work in the future. So what we can do now, suppose it's more convenient for me in Excel to interrupt, for example, the labeling of these elements. I interrupt here, click Save, close the specification. Now let's import the modified specification into Revit. Click Excel, import the uploaded specification, select the specification and click Import. After that, the values that we changed in Excel have come here. Of course, this only works with those parameters that you can physically change and manually directly in this specification. So we have already uploaded our specification with subsequent loading. Let's see what else an Excel plugin is capable of. Click Excel. Let's choose a few specific specifications. After we have selected, we need to choose the path where we need to upload the specifications. Then a lot of windows became active. On the left side you have all specifications that you have in your model. You can double click or use these buttons to move the specifications to the right field, thus making a set of specifications that you want to upload. Now we upload not one specification but several. Suppose we have compiled such a set so as not to do it all time. We can save this set. Let's enter its name and click Save. Now we will have this set here, and even if we close the plugin and open it again, we will be able to select this set and we'll have the specifications. Then we can arrange the order of these specifications. And the last thing we need to do before uploading is to determine this format of the work, how we will work unload on the sheet, on different sheets or in different documents. That is, with this format of work, a new Excel file will be created and all the specifications will be uploaded to the first sheet one after another. Here we will have them uploaded into a one document, but on different sheets. Here, each specifications will be uploaded to its own separate Excel document. Let's upload it to one document but on different sheets. Let's delete the previous specifications and click Export. So the upload has passed. We open the specification what we have, and we see what in this Excel document we have several sheets, for each or which we have unloaded a certain specification what we have in the set. Those we quickly uploaded several specifications in order into one Excel document. In the same way, it could be done on one sheet or it could be done in different documents. And the last thing I would like to show you is the import of the specifications from Excel. Let's just unload the current specification in the usual way of unloading to get some Excel specification. Let's open it. We have it here. Let's assume that we have this specification manually, and vice versa, we want to upload it to our project. The Excel plugin will allow you to upload this specification to the project in several ways. Click on the plugin, next, select the format of the work. Import specifications for a specific type. Let's choose position on a legend. Let's choose the type of text that we will use. Let's assume this one. And as a result, we will have specifications created on our legend in the form of text and lines. Click import, and we get the specifications. In this case, I choose a not very good font, but we see that this specification was built in the form of lines and text. Let's look at the last version of the work. When we will import the specifications from Revit directly into the header of the Excel specifications, click Excel, import specifications by type, select place on our specification, select type of our text, and click import. As a result, we have a new specification in which everything was specially filtered, so that nothing come here, and then we edit rows and columns in accordance with how it is done in our Excel. Thus, with the help of these specifications, we can more conveniently manage and change it. What we did when uploading to a Legion or drawing view. You can upload your specifications directly from Excel to Revit. So let's summarize. The Excel plugin allows you to do several operations to unload the specifications from the active view simply or with subsequent loading. If you upload it with subsequent loading, then you can import it later. Then you can export several specifications at once, creating sets, and you can also import a specification from Excel to the legends, drawing view or header of your specifications. That is, thank you everyone. Subscribe to our channel, put likes. In the description of the video you can find a link to download plugins for a free trial version in 2 weeks. All bye!